In this video, we will be demonstrating how to change and replace the cutting blades on an Ibex TS53 drum mower. Tools needed for this task include the blade changing tool that came with your mower and a 19mm socket or wrench. First, rotate the blade so that it is facing away from you. Insert the blade changing tool in between the bottom skid plate and the bottom of the cutting blade. Be sure that the blade changing tool makes contact with and locks into the nut that secures the blade. With one hand, hold the blade changing tool in place. With the other hand, loosen and remove the safety bolt and washer from the top drum plate. Once the bolt and washer have been removed, use the blade changing tool to guide the nut and blade out of the gap between the top drum plate and bottom skid plate. To replace the old blade with a new blade, place the nut through the bottom of the new blade and align them with the blade changing tool so that the blade is facing away from you. Insert the blade changing tool, nut, and blade from the angle seen here, being sure to line up the blade and nut directly under the hole on the top drum plate. Once the nut and blade are in place, hold the blade changing tool securely and install the washer and bolt from the top drum plate hole. Secure the bolt and washer by tightening until snug. Make sure the blade swings freely without snagging. If it sticks and/or is hard to move, the blade is incorrectly seated on the nut and will need to be reseated and retightened properly for safe operation. And that completes blade replacement on an Ibex TS53 drum mower. If you have any other questions, please feel free to type them in the comments or contact us at 833-888-IBEX. Happy baling!